This here is another mod for Tacomas, and this one's specific for 4Runners as well. It's called the Raptor Grill. And so this is the little cross piece there. It comes with these grill lights. I got it in the white LEDs and the smoked housing, so it'll have a little more of a stealthy appearance when they are put on the grill. And this is the letters. Now I'm going to talk about these letters here. And this is also just the grill portion that'll replace the front grill. Let me show you. See, like I said, it's an interesting spot to already own the same car that these mods are going to be going on. So this will be replaced with a straight cross piece. This will no longer be there. I won't have this insert, but it'll be a new top grill. I did buy a mesh grill for the bottom though, although the new 4Runners come with a black square over here that's called, it's like some kind of a radar to tell you if there's people in the crosswalk in front of you or whatever. But this whole entire top portion here with the crossbar will be replaced, and there will be no more emblem, and that's called the Raptor Grill. So this is the grill portion here. As you can see, there is no Toyota emblem in the front. It's just a smooth grill. And then these lights will actually go inside of the it's actually just the 3-piece. So it'll be 1, 2, and then 3 going across the center line of that top portion of the grill. And these are, I guess, called Raptor lights. That's why it's just called a Raptor Grill setup. And now this is the crossbar here. As you can see, it's just like an ABS plastic piece that's already got these little indents in them to put the letters across, the word Toyota. But what I'm actually going to do, because everyone's got these, and if you look at these letters, you'll just notice that everyone has this on their front grill, and they all just say Toyota across. I'm all about being a little bit different. I don't like to feel like I'm just following what everyone else is doing, so I'm actually just going to get this wrapped completely across, covering up these little indents there. Hopefully that's the idea. That's what it looks like in my head anyway. And I'm debating to go with satin black, which is the same that I use up here on the rails, which I think looks pretty good. It's not a high gloss finish, but there is, it is a nice satin finish. So I'm debating if that would look good here, or the place that I'm going to take it to get wrapped, they actually do have a gloss black. The risk is, will it fade over time? I'm not sure. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Do you think the gloss black would look good for a finishing front piece for the vehicle, or a satin black? I'm curious to hear what you guys think will work better. Let me know now, because this is going to get done in the near future. All right, guys, decision is made. So I'm actually going to stick with the letters that go inside the pegs, inside these holes, as those will be more durable, I feel, over time, whereas decals could potentially start to peel off or whatever. So I'm just prepping this surface here, and basically these have a clear backing that leads to the, I guess, gray looking two-way tape there. So that will further secure it, along with these, they're not just pegs, but they actually have little clips on them. So that will in fact lock it in. So that is what I'm going to be going with. And they are a gloss black finish. I'll just be sure to wipe these off when I'm done. So there's the T. So far I think it looks pretty good. Thank you. put these in. What do you think so far? If you like the way this is starting to look, go ahead and hit the little thumbs up button. All right. And last but certainly not least is the D for, what does that stand for? Toyota Racing Development? Something like that. Not sure. There we go. That's what it looks like there. What do you guys think? Think this was the right choice? Keeping with the gloss black theme on a, I don't know what color this is. It's not a gray, it's not a silver. It's like a cement, like a cement color. Well, shoot, there it is. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Alright guys, so that was just a quick, another overview of some of the mods that I have coming up with the sidebars and the TRD skid plate, as well as the Raptor Grill that will be wrapped and then swapped out. Guess it puts the word wrap in Raptor. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think in terms of the grill. Should I stick with the satin black because I already have it on this 4Runner here and it looks nice? It withstood the test of time. I mean, years have gone by. Or should I take a risk with the gloss black wrap? And that will be for the front grill portion that I just showed you, as well as the roof racks. So I kind of need them to match. Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style. Yeah.